Guys, I'm gonna show you how I made this fufu, aka Tory and nama. So that's some fish powder that I'm adding in the water, in a pot of water. And then that's the tomatoes that I'm gonna add in, like that's 6 tomatoes right there. Mash them, and then a cup of palm oil. That's what I'm adding in right now. And 1 scoop of peanut butter, which is not a lot, just a scoop. And then you add in the blended vegetable, onions, scallions, and yeah, that's all. If you have hot pepper, you can add them in there and then let it boil. That's it. And then you add your fish and your boiled meat, so pre-boiled meat. So that's what I'm adding in right now. And guys, that's the seasoning that I'm adding, the beyond cube, which is zimbo. And if you have like ground beef, you can add ground beef. It make the taste so good. And then that's I'm adding in the how you call that stuff, okra, the okra powder, and like nama, I don't know how to call that in English, I'm sorry, but yeah, it will just change the color a little bit, and then you know, make it a little bit slimish. So you will add to your liking or to your taste. So that's it. It is done. And after you see the oil come up, that's it, guys. And we're gonna make the Tory. That's some corn flour that I'm adding in the pot first. It will, like, you know, it will add more volume to your fufu. So that's what I've been adding lately to my fufu, which is cassava leaf flour. So that's the cassava leaf flour that I'm adding in. Then you will mix it with your belegeru. With your wooden spoon, guys. Mix. My pot was small, but I still mixed it in. And yes, guys, mix until everything is mixed in well. You don't see any more white flour. Then you let it simmer like for a few seconds, and it will be done. You see, that's me mixing it in with the wooden spoon or the belegeru. Yeah, it's a lot of work though, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. All my kids love it, but it's just too much work. That's it. It is done, and I'm scooping it now. You know, this is how they do it back home, so of course that's how I'm doing it too. I love to scoop it like that, like, you know, make it into a big bowl and then add your stew. So I'm gonna put, I think, 3 or 4 of that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you on my next cooking video. So that's me. I'm gonna add in the stew, guys. Look at my stew. Ooh, that stew looks so good. Guys, yet baby no doto nyamande. Yes, guys, you see that? That's how you make Tory and nama. The African way. It's a lot of work, but it's worth it, guys. It is worth it. If it's something that you like, try it. It's easy to make too. It's not really that hard, you know. It's easy to make. And if you have any questions, just don't forget to leave them down in the description box. And I will see you on my next video. Bye.